Welcome to Eat, Drink, Travel. This is Bruce. I'm here at the great Chatuchak Market, known as the largest outdoor market in the entire world. It is estimated that this market is between the size of 3 football fields and 500 football fields. No one knows for sure. It's just really huge. This market has everything that you could possibly want. Ceramics, household gifts, furniture, electronics, vehicles, well, like mopeds, food, clothing, oceans and potions and lotions, plus illegal animal trade. I kid you not. If you want to buy a lion or you want to buy a bear, this is the place to come to. They hide them here. You can buy them. I'll try to video them for your pleasure. So let's go take a look at a very in-depth look at Chatuchak Market. About 40 years ago, a very famous American actor came to Thailand on a business trip. And one of the first places that he went to was this huge outdoor market that's behind me. The owners of the market were so happy that this big-time famous actor stopped by here that they actually named the market after him. This is JJ Market, named after Jimmy Walker, JJ of Good Times, but this is more commonly known as Chatuchak Market. Let's go take a look. So I'm going to make my way down one of the hundreds of alleys that they have here. And right now I'm in the part of the market where it's just nothing but clothes. Lots of shoes, lots of shirts, jackets if you want to buy a jacket here in Bangkok. You know, this place is notorious for being hot. I don't know why you'd want to buy a jacket, except for maybe when it rains. But yeah, let's go take a quick look at all of these amazing clothes. And who knows, I might actually buy a few because I need some clothes. Look at that, 180, 100 baht. Now, I wouldn't never think of Thailand as, you know, home of Western gear, but they do have it. Living in Scottsdale, Arizona for a long time, you dress up like a cowboy sometimes, and I actually do have hats, boots. I don't have chaps, but I do know how to ride a horse. They have a lot of vans. I'm sure that those are 100% legit. Oh wow. This is This has to be the best spot for clothes here. It's called Nut Jean at Chatuchak Market. Every single pair of jeans and jean shorts is 100 baht, which is the equivalent of $3 US, maybe 2 pounds. It's an unbelievable deal. I don't know how they do it. I think these are all first-hand clothes. They're not pre-owned. But if you need jeans, $3, any size, Nut Jean. Here's another great spot. All these hats here at stall 28-1. They're about $3 to $4, actually up to $5. And you have, you know, LA, New York, Thailand, you have Supreme, you have Stussy, you have all these great hats that you can buy between $3 and $5. After a few hours of walking around this area, it's really easy to just want to go and get a foot massage. And they're still pretty cheap here. I mean, you know, you can get a full massage in Bangkok for, you know, 200 baht for 1 hour, especially where I live in the on-net area. It's a little bit pricier here. You're looking at about 250 for a 1 hour foot massage, but that's still about $7. And you know, whenever you walk around with a digital camera or a cell phone and you're doing a video, a lot of times people like to wave or make noise when you walk by. Yeah. If you've experienced that, please comment down below, because I'd love to hear what your experience have been shooting YouTube videos here or anywhere in the world. Yeah, this place is just the ultimate spot that I know of for trinkets around the house. It's a lot of fun. I'm here at Famous Pop Art at Chatuchak Market, and you got to see what they have here. First off, if you're a fan of the Squid Games, look at that. Of course, this right here. And, you know, of course, you have to be a fan of Blackpink if you know, if you like music. And of course there's BTS right there. They have all sorts of sports athletes, and if you're a fan of comic books, a lot of the Avengers stuff right there, and Marvel, DC, and pretty much anyone you can think of that is in pop culture is here. So you gotta check out this place. It's really, really nice. And it's over here at Chatuchak Market. I still don't know what these things are to my right, but you know, all of these handmade flower ornaments. If you guys know what they are, please let me know and comment down below, because I'm still curious. This sign store is looking pretty nice. Have my eye on that Coca-Cola one. So I've been walking around for about 4 hours now, and I really just stuck to like some of the trinkets and clothes, and I forgot how to make a YouTube video. So now I'm in the area where it's a lot of furniture, home decor, and I'm going to take some video on that. And then we'll see if we can shoot the animals, because from what I understand, they don't like video being shot of what's locked up in the cages. I could be mistaken, but that's what someone told me before I came here. So we'll find out. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. I apologize if the gimbal keeps moving like left and right, back and forth. I'm using a DJI Ohm 5, which is like one of the more expensive gimbals. And I'm not a big fan of it. You know, I like using my regular $20, $30 gimbal that I bought. It's just the stabilization isn't that good on it. But this really doesn't make it that much easier either, so. I'm at a crossroads, so let me know what you guys think about the video quality on this, because I am using the more expensive gimbal that I've had for 2 months. I just haven't been using it because it always moves when I don't want it to move, even when I have it on lock. So, let me know. I'm just recording this because they're playing the song Feliz Navidad in the background, which is in Spanish, was not expecting that here in Thailand, because it's either Thai or English. It seems maybe some Punjabi is what they speak here. But yeah. I am completely lost. I am so lost here. This place is huge, but it's a fun whole day event to go to. It's almost like a madhouse here. It's really packed, and it's just, you know, the lanes are just so small that it's really hard to fit through, and yet, you know, people coming in here with dollies and motorcycles and just riding around, and it's just, you know, certain parts just really cramped. And there's just restaurants upon restaurants hidden inside. And even when it's just a really small space, you'll be surprised because there's just a ton of restaurants right next to every type of business out there. I mean, you could be next to a clothing store, and then there's a, you know, a pet store right there, and then there's a noodle shop. So there we go. So I just passed by a shop here, and I really wanted to record it, but they got up in front of my recording device, and they said no video. I think it was like a little, I don't know if it's a tiger or a Bengal cat, but it looked like it can bite your face off. And they had like a tortoise that was probably about 2 feet wide. Yeah, I mean, they just have a lot of stuff here. I don't think those are legit skulls. I'm just walking by that store again because, you know, I saw those skulls, and I'm just thinking, are they like, they're not like baby skulls, but maybe like a chimpanzee or something like that. I mean, hey, we're in Thailand, it's not the US. You don't know what's allowed here and what isn't allowed. But I will tell you this, things which are not allowed, people turn a blind eye to here if you have a little money. I'm just saying, I heard rumors. Oh, this is neat. They sell ants. Look at that. They have ants for sale. I didn't know that was even a thing. Well guys, I hope you like this. I spent about 5 hours here shopping. I did buy some things and some more is in my backpack. I had a good time. I tried to get some illegal animals on camera, but you know, those two guys just jumped in front of me and they said no filming. But this is such a fun place to go to. You don't have to spend a lot of money just to walk around and, you know, get something cheap to eat. 50, 60 baht for a meal. Clothes, you're looking at 100 baht, 200 baht for something decent. You know, that's between like $3 and $6. And it's just a nice way to spend a whole day out here in Bangkok. You know, you can bring the family and, you know, for $20, $30, enjoy yourself. So anyway, this is Bruce signing off with Eat Drink Travel, and let's see what happens next.